Hi everyone, welcome to Aura Dance. Lower back pain has been bothering lots of people who sit long hours. Hopefully the following short exercises can help. First, let's start with a few roll-ups. Keep legs together on the floor with feet flexed. Tuck in the chin, engage the abs, and start roll down one vertebrae at a time. Try coming down to the mat slowly with full control. Initiate from the abs on the way up. Reach the toes or ankle at the end of the return. Repeat the cycle a few more times. The pull from the flexed heels is going to help lengthen hamstrings, and rolling down one vertebrae at a time is encouraging more space along the spine. Thus release tension from the lower back. Next, head to knee. Bend your right leg and leave the left leg out straight and foot flexed. Bring the arms up to the sky and fold forward. Round the back and let the forehead drop on the knee. You can choose to hold the ankle or shin if it's too much for you to reach the foot. Keep breathing into the diaphragm as you hold the stretch. Let's switch side. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Round the back and touch the knee with the forehead. Now let's stand up, bring the arms to the sky, lengthen through the spine and fold forward. Bend the knees slightly, wrap around the elbows and start pulsing. Dropping the weight off the upper body entirely allows the lower back to decompress. If you start feeling dizzy, you can always stop and come up earlier. Now bend the knees, drop the tailbone and roll up one vertebrae at a time. Next, side bends. Reach one arm up and leave the other by the side. Extend the side of the long arm on the top, while slide the hand down along the outer thigh. Keep the core tight and lengthen the spine as you bend. Keep your gaze up. You should feel a nice stretch at both the hip flexors and the lower back. Let's come down to the mat for Pigeon. Bend the front leg and bring the knee towards the edge of the mat. Keep the hips and shoulders squared as you extend the back leg out. Spine lengthen and fold forward. The stretch for the glutes and hips will release lower back tension instantly, since these muscles are all connected. Mermaid. This is my most favorite stretch because it's very graceful and effective. Sit with one leg fold in the front and one fold to the back, like a mermaid. Bring the arm up and bend to the side where the leg is folded at the front. You will notice the sit bone of the leg folded behind is slightly lifted off the mat. This is totally what we want to achieve. Keep dropping the hip and extend through the fingertips. You will find an instant relaxation at the lower back. Let's switch and bring out the other side of the mermaid tail. Inhale, reach the arm up. Exhale, bend to the side. Keep the gaze up and spine lengthened. Side reach. Fold one leg towards yourself. Keep the other leg out long and foot flexed. Flip the chest up and reach towards the toes. Beware not to round the spine. If tight hips are bothering you, you can place a yoga block under the folded knee to lift the knee up so you can focus on the stretch. Let's switch side. Inhale, reach the fingertips up. Exhale, reach to the side. Keep breathing. Hope you feel better and feel all refreshed after all these stretches. If you like this video, please subscribe to the Aura Dance channel. Remember to like, comment, and share the video. I'll see you in the next one.